Welcome. This is script 1 of 6 in our series on Google's AI Studio. This is the main overview. Hey there, tech enthusiasts and AI curious folks. Today we're diving into Google's AI Studio, a playground for anyone who's ever wanted to harness the power of artificial intelligence without needing a PhD or the ability to understand what machine learning engineers are talking about at parties. Google's AI Studio is basically like having a super smart assistant that understands both text and images. Except this one doesn't roll its eyes when you ask it the same question for the 5th time. It's powered by Gemini, Google's advanced AI model that makes previous generations look like they were running on hamster wheels. Now, I could tell you that AI Studio is a revolutionary platform that democratizes access to cutting-edge artificial intelligence capabilities, or I could just say it's where regular humans like us can make AI do cool stuff without coding. I think we'll go with the second one. Throughout this series, we'll be exploring 5 key aspects of Google's AI Studio that'll take you from what's a prompt to I am the AI whisperer in no time. First up, we'll look at building multimodal applications with Gemini. Multimodal is just a fancy way of saying stuff that works with both text and images. Remember when we had to choose between reading a book or watching TV? Gemini says, why not both? It's like having a friend who's equally good at interpreting your vacation photos and your existential 3 a.m. texts. Next, we'll dive into prompt engineering techniques. Think of this as learning the secret language to communicate with AI. It's like learning how to ask your partner for a favor. Phrase it right, and you'll get exactly what you want. Phrase it wrong, and you'll end up with a 3-page essay on the history of potatoes when all you wanted was a grocery list. In our 3rd installment, we'll compare Google's AI Studio with other platforms like ChatGPT and Claude. It's like comparing coffee shops. They all serve caffeine, but the vibe is different, and somehow you have strong opinions about which one is best. 4th, we'll explore integrating AI Studio outputs into real-world business applications. Because creating funny AI-generated images of cats dressed as business executives is fun, but making AI streamline your workflow and boost productivity? That's the dream. Finally, we'll tackle ethical considerations and responsible use. Because with great AI power comes great responsibility. We want to be the Tony Stark of AI, not the... Well, also Tony Stark, but from the earlier films when he wasn't thinking things through. Throughout this journey, we'll be keeping things practical and down to earth. No technical jargon without explanation, no assuming you've memorized the machine learning dictionary. Just straight talk about cool technology that's changing how we work and create. So whether you're a curious beginner, a business owner looking to level up, or just someone who wants to stay ahead of the AI curve before the machines take over, this series has something for you. Buckle up for a fun ride through the world of Google's AI Studio. I promise by the end, you'll be impressing your friends with AI knowledge and maybe even building some cool stuff of your own. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Drop a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. This was script 1 of 6. For more information and to continue learning, visit dmpgh.com. That's dmpgh.com. Thanks for watching, and keep growing that brain.